I'm standing in front of a 4-post setup along with vertical cable managers and horizontal cable managers. And one of the questions I get asked all the time is, how do you pick the right 4-post rack for your environment? And there are 3 things to take into consideration. One is the overall height. You know, if you have an established height in mind because of the ceiling conditions, because of your cable runway or your distribution for your infrastructure, you know, you're going to want to obviously, you know, be under that when you're thinking about the type of 4-post rack you're looking for. The next thing is, what kind of equipment are you supporting? If it's going to be high density applications in terms of a ton of patch panels, a lot of copper cables, a fiber infrastructure system with some fiber boxes, or a large core switch that you have to support, you're going to want to pick the right 4-post rack for that environment. You have different options in terms of depth, and you also have different options in terms of the type of rails that you use. Most common is tapped rails and square punched. So if you're using, if you're supporting network equipment that is on a sliding rail mechanism, you probably want to go with the square punch system so that the rails and the screws that come with the equipment are fully adjustable and compatible with the environment. If you're supporting large pieces of equipment, then you want to probably use a tapped rail system. Or if you're not doing a ton of servers or network equipment, you may want to just kind of continue to use a tapped rail system so that you can support your environment. So the nice thing about the 4-post rack system in its design is that it can support elevation kits or any equipment overhead, and what we have on display shows you a 12-inch elevation kit along with our on-track wire basket. Now the on-track wire basket can be positioned towards the front, towards the middle, or towards the back, pretty much in any location that you desire, assuming you had any obstructions in your environment. So for more information on Chatsworth products, please visit us online at chatsworth.com.